Hi, you are welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be looking at how to install api.php route in Laravel 11. So let me enlarge my terminal. Yes, in previous Laravel, from Laravel 10 downward, the route files contains both the web.php and api.php, but in the newly released Laravel 11 there is no api.php in the route file, and this is reason because there are so many things that have changed in the structure of Laravel in Laravel 11. So in Laravel 11, the Laravel community deem it fit that okay, there are so many files and that might not be used by developers and might never be used by developers. So they deem it fit that okay, some of all those files should be removed, and when they need them, they should install them, and api.php happen to be one of those things. So let's create a Laravel project of Laravel 11. So we are going to have composer create projects Laravel / Laravel. Then the name of our project, okay, let's just call it test API. Okay, let me call it test API. Enter. So let's wait while our composer is installing our new project. Okay, the file have been created, so let me go into our project directory, cd test API. Wow, we are inside the project. So let me open it with the VS Code. Yeah, our project is open. Okay, let me trust it. So you can see this is our this is our route file, and we just have only web.php. As you can see, there is no api.php, but in the previous Laravel, from Laravel 10 downward, you will see both the api and web.php file. So, and you cannot just right click and create the file. There are some sanctum and the rest that will be needed to create, so you need to run them via command. So the first thing to do here is you click your terminal, and let me enlarge. So you do php artisan install api php artisan install api. Then you hit enter. So we don't need the migration file to be created, no. So as you can see, the API file is back. So that is how to get your Laravel 11 and how to install api.php into your Laravel 11. Thank you very much, and if you are new to this channel, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel so that when we create a new content, you will be notified. Thank you and stay blessed.